Rachel from Slipstick, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to stop furniture sliding around while also protecting your floors with Slipstick's Gorilla Pads. This is the 2-inch or 50mm round pad, and it comes in a packet of 8. It's available in square shape too. Each pad has a rubber dimpled surface on both sides which grips the floor and the furniture. The super strong felt core cushions the furniture leg and caters for different shapes and sizes. Some furniture comes with hard plastic discs nailed onto the bottom of the legs, often damaging floor surfaces. The gripper pad felt core is so strong that the disc won't go through it and the pad will still grip. To use the gripper pad, you simply lift the furniture and place the pad underneath with no need for any tools. Gripper pads are available in a range of different shapes and sizes. There is a peel and stick adhesive option if you want to fix them to your furniture. The gripper pads can be used on all hard surfaces, including wood, laminate or tiles. All Slipstick Gorilla Pads are backed by a 5-year warranty. Find more great Slipstick solutions right here on our website.